Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat notifications if it's not popping up. Now first of all, check your internet connection. If it's your internet connection is not stable or it's not connected, then your notifications will not pop up. Now after that, you have to also check on the settings if you have given permission to the Snapchat to give notifications to you. So let's go to our notifications and go to our apps and search in Snapchat. Now after that, click on this Snapchat and go to app permissions or go to notifications permission, and as you can see, I've given permissions to give me notifications from the Snapchat app. Now after this, if it's still not working, then go to Snapchat app and go to your profile, go to settings logo and scroll down a little and click on logout and log in again, and after that you'll get your notifications. And if it's still not giving you any notifications, then you just need to update your Snapchat. Go to Play Store or go to your App Store on your mobile phone and type in Snapchat, and after that click on Snapchat and check if you are on the latest version or not. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.